Kencana? Kencana ya?
Anjay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Wulan Sulistia Arliu from Management Class 22A. I want to explain about business feasibility study. The definition of a business feasibility study is the activity of discussing the feasibility of a business. Determining a business feasibility study is important before writing a business plan. The focus of a business feasibility study is the identification of potential critical issues such as how and where the business will be run. Understand that a business plan and a business feasibility study are two different things and cannot replace each other. Business feasibility study objective. There are 5 benefits and objectives of a business feasibility study, namely as follows. 1. Makes business planning easier. The purpose of business feasibility study is to facilitate business planning. Business people will get information related to the business they are starting when analyzing the feasibility of the business. Information about the advantage and disadvantage of a business is certainly needed. 2. Streamline business implementation. With a business feasibility analysis, business implementation can be carried out more easily. Business people can assess and evaluate which program and policies are effectively implemented. In this way, business implementation that focus on profit can be realized. 3. Minimize the risk of loss. One of the benefits of a business feasibility study is reducing the risk of loss. With a business feasibility analysis, the risk of loss that can and cannot be controlled can be identified, so business people can prepare themselves to face it. 4. Facilitate the monitoring process. The result of the feasibility study report contain an analysis of business feasibility from various aspects. This aspect can be used to carry out internal supervision. The report can also be used as a guide for the authorities in carrying out external supervision. 5. Makes the control process easier. When running a business, you must be prepared to face various conditions, including when problems and irregularities are encountered. The role of the result of the business feasibility study report is a business basis for determining the aspect that cause problem. Business people can certainly take the right step if they have found the core of the problem. Aspect of business feasibility studies. The business feasibility studies aspect consists of 5 factors, namely social economics, markets and marketing, management, finance and legality. Economic and cultural aspect. In economic and cultural aspect, the focus of a business feasibility study is an analysis of the impact of establishing a company on the surrounding and environment. By establishing a company is an environment, does it affect the custom of that area or not? 2. Market and marketing aspect. Market and marketing aspect will ensure whether the product will have a chance or not. The things that must be considered in this aspect are market potential, consumer size, people's purchasing power, market segmentation, business competition situation, and so on. 3. Management aspect. Feasibility study analysis on the management aspect is a basic aspect that must be researched, because how the company operates from construction to development is examined in the aspect. In fact, the management aspect also includes resource management and company finance. For financial aspect, talking about business, of course, it doesn't involve capital. So, the financial aspect of a business feasibility study is one of the determinant of the fate of your business in the present and future. Accuracy is needed in the budgeting process so that the business plan is mature. And 5. Legality or legal aspect. The final aspect in the business feasibility study is legality or law. The legality point analysis are location permits, company registration certificates, and POP, deed of company establishment from a notary, trading business permit, and so on. Business feasibility study stage. The business feasibility study stage in step in the business analysis itself. Check out the following steps. 1. ID discovery. Starting a business can be started from an initial ID that's my style bureau's estimate. Funding IDs can come from problem is society and then you build a business as a solution to these problems. 2. Research. After finding of a business ID, do research about the business. Factors that need to be researched are how the business operates, what its advantages are, what obstacles might arise, and who the competitors are. 3. Evaluation. After finding obstacles that might arise, I immediately carry out an evaluation or assessment. Make sure whether your business advantage can overcome those potential obstacles or not. For determination, you have evaluated whether your business advantage are able to overcome obstacles or not. These results are used as a business for determining whether the business is worth running. If yes, you can make it happen. If not, maybe you can look for other business opportunity. 5. Implementation plan. If the result of determining the business feasibility study is to continue its realization, then the next step is an implementation plan. The result of the feasibility study analysis can be used as a guide and establishing your business. 6. Implementation. After planning, now is the time for you to start the plan. Conduct regular evaluation to find out which plans are working well and which are not. Example of a business feasibility study. The following is an example of business feasibility study that you can use as a reference. One example of a feasibility study for a contemporary beverage business. Contemporary drinks are becoming a trend in society with various types. If you intend to build a business in the field, make sure the target and marketing strategy are appropriate considering that business competition is quite large. 2. Example of a property business feasibility study. Property is a primary need, so the challenges are different from business in other fields. There are many things that must be considered when starting this business. Some of these include location, property, price, target market, and status of the land that will be used to buy the property. Thank you for watching to my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.